Hello guys, we are back with another video of a pack opening. So I just went to a card shop and I got some packs and I'm here with my dad.
He wants to, oh, you got it. Okay, good.
Alright. I'm not going to look at the cards. I ripped it open.
Why don't I show them to you?
Why'd I get Bojan Bogdanovic?
Oh, God. At least he's in a Utah uniform.
I got Nikola Vucevic. You guys probably thought that was Nikola Jokic, but...
Oh? KD.
Slim Reaper. Let's go.
Joe Harris.
Ow, you suck.
Victor Oladipo.
Oladipo. Victor Oladipo.
Quentin Grimes.
This pack.
Corey Kispert.
I have horrible packs.
Not so good so far. Jordan Clarkson.
Okay, Jordan Clarkson's okay.
Who's this guy? Jashawn Tate.
Right.
Derrick Rose. Too bad that's not 10 years ago.
I want that to be prime Derrick Rose.
Paul George.
Oh, Paul George. He ain't good with that defense, though.
Kyrie.
Ankles.
Another Derrick Rose.
What?
At least he's in a Knicks.
These are the orange, too.
Okay. Oh. Davion Mitchell.
Cracked ice. Yeah.
And another Kyrie Irving.
What? Okay, I have a whole nother pack to open, guys. Don't worry. That was such short. I have a whole nother pack to open.
You should let me read them off. Give it.
I got 20 cards in this one.
Malachi Flynn.
Here, put it down right there.
Oh, Joel Embiid.
Ooh, Joel.
Montrezl Harrell.
Okay.
Sadiq Bey.
Sadiq.
Yeah. He's a bum.
Yeah.
Andrew Wiggins.
Okay.
Classic Tony Kukoc.
Okay. Tony can shoot.
Luka Garza.
I thought that was Luka Doncic.
Oh. Wilt.
Hold on, don't show.
Wilt.
Followed
by your favorite player, Anthony Davis.
Hey, D! Let's go!
He's probably injured.
Shut up!
Avery Bradley.
Is there a gold card? Yeah, there is.
Anyeke
Okongwu.
Keon Johnson.
Ooh, Emergent. That's
He's
a good
young guy.
I've heard of him.
Evan Mobley, good young player.
Instant impact.
You got a USA basketball, KD.
Ooh, I'm getting some good cards.
You got Melo.
Ooh, Melo. It's an old Melo. That sucks.
John Collins.
On the actual
Gold, Andrew Wiggins.
That's a good. Oh my god, I made my screen shake.
Gold, Kobe White.
I thought you were about to say Kobe Bryant.
Gold, Luka.
Luka, gold Luka, no way, gold Luka.
And the gold, Julius Randle. Yeah, I know. A little anticlimactic, isn't it?
Gold Julius Randle.
We got some good ones.
Yeah, those were actually really good.
You gonna talk to the people?
Alright, guys, that was a good pack opening. You should rate it in the comments. I mean, I got some okay cards in this stack right here. All the hanger selects. KD. My best card was probably the 4 right here.
Give me these.
Alright guys, goodbye. Tell me when you want to see the next pack opening.